And we got breakfast fried rice. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Josh's Place. Today we're going to make some breakfast fried rice. I've got a few things up here. I've got my eggs, farm fresh from our chickens outside. A little ginger, bacon, sausage. Got my leftover rice from a couple days ago out of the fridge, ready to go. Keeping it real simple today. My kids don't like a lot of the onions and things in there, and I'm out of green onions. So we're going with what we have today. That's usually the way this goes, right? A little salt, pepper, sesame seeds, things like that. I'll have a recipe linked down below afterwards, but hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think. And again, hit me up in the comments. Anything down there you'd like to see or any feedback with the recipes we have here, always welcome. Enjoy doing this for you all. Thanks again. I appreciate it. Alright, well, we got our bacon chopped up, got our sausage ready, eggs are on the side, got a little ginger chopped up the way we like it. Got the rest of my ingredients ready. Get this wok good and hot. It's just about there. Of all things, I'm using one of my camping stoves so that we have a little bit better view. This is a Jetboil. Not sponsored, but Jetboil half gen I use when we're doing some of our camping trips, but it's not quite the BTU that you would want for a wok, but it gets the job done. Alright, I think we're getting hot enough there. Let that sizzle. There we go. Get that started. Break that up a bit. Let that cook down. I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit while we render this bacon down. The key with fried rice these days, make sure that you cook it at least the day before and let it dry out and get good and cold from the day before, and you'll get much better results. I think if I had a better wok burner, I could do it more fresh with the rice anyway, but with my current setup, it always works better going with the day-old rice. This batch I cooked and put in a vacuum seal bag, and that really worked. It broke up real well. We'll see how it does in just a few minutes, but it's be a good little take on fried rice for the morning crew. I think I'm going to go ahead while that's going. I'm going to throw the sausage in. Get that broken up. A hearty meal here for the family. Let that cook up. Turn the heat up. Ginger in there, let it get cooking. every time they see the black pepper in there. For some reason, they just will not eat. Oh, that smells good. Nothing like a little pork for your breakfast. You can do this on the Blackstone too, outside, if you choose. It gives you a lot of room to really get this stuff crispy. Let that finish cooking down. Alright, well, I think the meat's getting nice and crispy and done. Let's get the eggs put in here again. Kind of just farm fresh eggs. They're wonderful. We have about 10 chickens, and we get these. We get about 10 eggs a day on average. These girls are laying pretty good for us lately. In this, I'm just going to put about 4 eggs. You can go with more depending on how many people you're trying to cook for, but in this case, I'm just going to go with 4. I'm going to let that cook down just a little bit. But we're almost done. This does not take very long to cook. It's more the prep time than anything. Just make sure you have everything out ready. Cooking on a hot wok, so you have to keep it going. So getting that white there, so that's all I'm going to hook it up with the water. Salt to those eggs. Should be plenty with the bacon, but good seasoned food always gets better. Just mix all this together. Place the meat on with them. Looks amazing already. And usually right before I go in with the rice, I'll grab a little butter, throw that in there, there's a nice flavor. And then go in with the rice. Get that rice broken up all the way. Smell this good strain. Oh, wonderful. Breaking that leftover rice, so that will plump together. Get a little bit of oyster sauce and just a little bit left. Gives a good flavor to it. And go with a little soy. I always go around the edge of the wok so that that soy sauce gets a little bit of that heat. It cooks down a little bit, and then as you stir it in, the flavor is really, really good. Rest of This would be a good time to throw in some green onions, but we're out of it and the kids don't necessarily like it. So I'm just going with what we have. And that, folks, is breakfast fried rice. Oh my God. Breakfast fried rice. Well, that was how you cook a breakfast fried rice. We got everything here to show you how it works. Gonna get a little taste test with the girls. I don't know if I can get that to focus, but there we go. And all right, so we're gonna have the girls give us a taste test and tell me what they think. So go ahead, girls, take you a big old bite.
Hot.
It is. Cover your mouth. What do you think about that? Bella, you like it? It ain't that hot. Is it hot? Uh-oh. You like it?
Not that hot, it's delicious.
Delicious? Cassie's mouth's on fire. Chew on. Go. Go. Cover your mouth and go. Cover your mouth and go.
It's not hot.
It's hot. Alright, well, I'm gonna try it too. Let's see here. Now that's a breakfast fried rice. Folks, again, appreciate you watching. Wait till the next one. But breakfast fried rice in the morning. Have a good day. Have a good day. Cassie? No? You wanna say bye?
Empty water.
Bye.
Bye.